Now that's the tourism season start. The busy Levante beach and packed to the top favorite beach bars once the sun is officially back to our region. How incredible is that? Welcome back to Benidorm town. Welcome back to the Levante beach. And even though you can see a little bit of the clouds in the sky, the sun's still shining slowly but surely, which brought a lot of people back to the Levante beach. Not only towards the promenade, but also to the nearest bars and pubs. As you can see, the busiest, you've probably seen it in a while, Wild Duck Sports Bar. The whole terrace is full today. The Stag and Pheasant, never know how to pronounce it correctly, but terrace is completely booked. There's people everywhere, not a single, well, one single free table, but for the rest, it is all busy. Rica's Cocktail Bar and Restaurant, the brand new, renewed place, let's say it like this, also really, really busy. People sitting on the benches nearby on their mobility scooters, just on the beachfront, enjoying some sunshine, getting some fresh this year's tan, and people walking by the water. It is 9th of March today, if we remember it correctly. Yes, Monday, 9th of March. And we are heading towards mid-March full speed. We were not so lucky the past few days with the weather, but now we definitely are. And by this weekend, as you were able to see in the latest news update that we just posted today on midday, it's gonna be very nice weather. This weekend, we're looking forward to plus 25 degrees real feel, which is gonna be just as heaven here in Benidorm town. All the cafeterias, all the bars, all the pubs in the area by the Levante beach, everything is really, really busy. And starting from now onwards, many of the places will start planning on some entertainment. The truth is that as for the day of today, it wasn't that busy, so there was not a lot of entertainment available here in the area, but now it will be already. And all this is because usually starting from March month, all the places are planning their entertainment for the summer season. The summer season has started already from this March month, and up until November-ish, more or less, it's going to be really, really busy. We've started to spot already quite a few groups and stock parties and hen-dos and bridal showers, and in general, the groups of friends that are arriving on holidays now. Families too, without kids of school age. A lot of people are out here inside of the city. So definitely pretty busy, I would say. And there's going to be more and more entertainment each time. There's going to be more DJ sessions. First of all, it's going to start with some entertainment shows, tributes, maybe some live music like guitars, etc. Singers. Then it's going to be DJ sessions towards summertime that will continue up until practically closing time here on the beach. Oh, and we see first umbrellas already. This is definitely a start of a summer season. Before, we've only had sunbeds here in the area on the beach. You know that there are some specific parts here that do have like a free space, just the sand, nothing else. But then there's other spots here that do have umbrellas on them and paid sunbeds in that particular area. And we see these. Oh my goodness, it's so busy. Look at that. There are so many people out here. Wow. This is incredible. There's a whole lot of people. I would want just to lay down on the beach. Just lay down on the sunshine, enjoy. Oh, this is a very nice atmosphere. So, as mentioned, the sunbeds are paid, obviously, but all these previous years, Benidorm didn't have very bad pricing. We've seen way worse. For example, in Mallorca, in Calpe, these ones are expensive. But here, it's not as much. It's still all right. Even Albir hired the prices up. They've increased the prices. But here, it wasn't the case. Look at that. Beer bucket sangria, 9.90. Beer buckets, 9 euros is the cheapest one. 14 euros. That's 12 euros. Look at that bucket offer. 5 for 12 euros. Offers of jugs, 12.50. Sangria, 6 on the beach, 12.50. Venom, what is that? I suppose it's some kind of a mix that they do out here. Some specific cocktails, probably. Giraffes, which are like big, several liter beers. Breakfast, happy hours, and many, many more. Ooh, and actually nowadays it's a very popular thing here. See these like colorful long things? They're like walls. They're like walls to prevent the wind. Actually very, very nice ones. We also have these and we use them when we go towards the beach. Very nice and very suitable in case it's a windy day. Quite a lot of people, even in the typical like Spanish restaurants. My goodness, they're so busy. Mobility scooter parking and bicycle parking. There's even way more bicycles out here. Wow. And prices are back. Did they change the pricing? Oh no, it just seemed like it from here, but I think it's still 6 euros because it's last year's. It's like last year's billboards. It's not the new ones. So I feel like it should be all right. It's still good old same 6 euros for a sunbed and for umbrella. But once you start seeing umbrellas, you know that the season will be kicking off very, very soon. Before it was just sunbeds. And now it's a complete inventory here on the beach. And very, very soon we'll start seeing the cable ski working back again, which should be shortly, by the way. We'll start seeing boats, we'll start seeing parasailing, we'll start seeing the banana, the fly fish, and the booths with different types of excursions and things to enjoy in the sea. It's all gonna be here really, really soon. Even though today is not the perfect day, there's still quite a bit of clouds, but right where the sun is, sun's shining nice and strong. Some seagulls right here by the beach, coexisting with people. Quite a nice and lovely day. And this is Monday, by the way. This is Monday. This is not a weekend. So imagine how Benidorm is actually busy on the weekends. Look at that. People are giving them some food. Probably. Yeah, they're giving us some rice. I think some rice grains. Just to give them some food. It's actually a nice place. Definitely a nice place where to be. And it is surprising on how busy it actually is. Well, probably not because there's this Cheltenham, never know how to pronounce it right, but the horse racing event that all the fans, a lot of the times people are coming here because it's cheaper to actually watch it through the giant screens from Benidorm town. And many people, that's what they do. So it's definitely going to be quite busy here in the area. And apart from that, it is still full with people. It is really, really busy out here. Absolutely incredible. King Coco here. Quite a busy terrace too, by the way. Obviously, it has quite a bit of sunshine. It is new. The seats are very comfortable. That is actually true. We love these types of seats. They're really cozy, really comfy to be. They have a lot of offers for drinks and snacks and cocktails. And people are just loving the terrace with direct views of the Levante beach. What can be better than that? Slightly quieter areas like these ones mix up with very busy parts of the Levante beach. We'll head there now and you'll see what we mean by that. But there are specific parts of the Levante beach that are extremely vivid, very noisy, and some people love it. Others prefer to be in the area that's slightly less crowded. Many people go here to Copacabana. I personally think that it's quite expensive, honestly. Not sure, let us know what you think, but I feel like they've increased the prices so much that it's definitely expensive. Let us know. I feel like it's a little bit too much, like 9 euros for an English breakfast. And it's not like XXL or like some specific giant, huge breakfast. No, just like a regular one. 9 euros. That is a little bit strange, isn't it? Let us know. The busiest parts here on the Levante Beach are right here on this very spot. Here we have some of the legendary, most important places for partying on the Levante Beach. And right next to the jungle, we have the Tiki Beach. This is the busiest part. Also, just see the difference from how the promenade was where we were just walking and how it is looking like right now where we are at. Look at that. The Tiki Beach is right there in front and you can see tons of people. People even sitting on the stairs, on the steps, because inside it is totally, absolutely packed up. I think it's time for them to get security back again, or maybe there is already, not too sure, but usually they do get security here in the area. I'm just watching the staff. That one's the staff one. I'm just watching what are they doing there, if it's all good or not. Because I don't think that's a good behavior, what they were doing. No, I think they're good. I think they're just like messing with each other. I think they're good. Hopefully that is the case. Look at the Tiki Beach. That is some hotspot today. Absolutely bizarre, incredibly busy place. Not a single soul will fit out here, and still people are fitting inside. It's incredibly busy. This reminds us of peak summer, like July, August months, but no, it's just March. It's the second week of March, and there we are, everything packed up to the top, and it's not gonna be getting any better anytime soon. That's how it's gonna be. This is the atmosphere of the Tiki Beach. That's how it's gonna be throughout the whole entire season. It's gonna be even worse because there's gonna be DJ sessions. There's gonna be a lot of things going on here. And definitely it is the mecca on the beach. There is gonna be loud music here, like a nightclub during daytime. This is what it is, and these types of places obviously are an authentic claim amongst all different types of generations. They have a bottle offers there. 2 bottles of Amstel you were able to see, €4. Quite a whole lot of offers, cocktails, bucket deals. There is shots deals. Oh, there are so many things out here. Definitely the busiest place on the Levante Beach. Absolutely packed. Woo! This place looks like summer. It definitely does. Wow. That's the whole essence of a holiday by the beach, right? Let us know if this is your spot to come to Benidorm or if you avoid these types of places. People seem to really love it and stay on the sunshine and enjoy some great company. Definitely unexpected, extremely busy Levante Beach today, even though it is a Monday. Thank you for accompanying us on today's video, and we'll see you with a brand new video here on the channel tomorrow. Stay tuned for more and don't forget to subscribe.